Supply chain and logistics. Supply chain management is a critical component of modern business, integral to ensuring that products are delivered efficiently, cost-effectively, and in a timely manner. This comprehensive guide explores the concept of supply chain management, its various components, the role of logistics, and the impact of technological advancements on this dynamic field. 1. Definition and importance of supply chain management. Definition. Supply chain management, SCM, involves the oversight of materials, information, and finances as they move from supplier to manufacturer to wholesaler to retailer to consumer. It encompasses the planning and management of all activities involved in sourcing, procurement, conversion, and logistics management. Importance. The importance of an efficient supply chain cannot be overstated. It directly impacts a company's ability to compete in the marketplace. Efficient supply chains help businesses reduce costs, improve productivity, enhance customer satisfaction, and increase profitability. 2. Key components of the supply chain. Suppliers. Suppliers provide the raw materials, components, and services required to create a product. Managing supplier relationships effectively is crucial for maintaining the quality and reliability of the final product. Manufacturing. This stage involves converting raw materials into finished goods through various processes including machining, assembly, and fabrication. Efficient manufacturing operations require sophisticated production planning and inventory control. Warehousing. Warehouses store products at different stages of completion. Effective warehousing ensures that inventory levels are optimized, space is used efficiently, and goods are accessible for shipment. Distribution. Distribution involves transporting the finished goods to the consumer or the retail outlets. This can include multiple transportation modes, air, sea, rail, and road, and requires careful route and load planning to minimize costs and maximize speed. Retailers. Retailers are the final link in the supply chain which sells the finished goods to the end consumers. The relationship between retailers and the other components of the supply chain is vital to ensure that products are available to consumers in the expected condition and time frame. Customers. Customers are the end users of the product. Their demand drives the supply chain, and their needs and expectations shape the strategies employed by supply chain managers. 3. Logistics in supply chain management. Definition. Logistics refers to the process of planning, implementing, and controlling the efficient and effective forward and reverse flow and storage of goods, services, and related information between the point of origin and the point of consumption to meet customers' requirements. Components. Transportation. Choosing the most efficient methods of transportation considering cost, time, and product nature. Inventory management. Keeping the right amount of products in stock to handle demand without incurring excessive storage costs. Materials handling. Managing how materials are handled in warehouses and transport terminals to minimize damage and loss. Order fulfillment. Ensuring that customer orders are processed and fulfilled accurately and promptly. Reverse logistics. Handling returns and recalls efficiently to maintain customer trust and minimize losses. 4. Technological impact on supply chain and logistics. Automation and robotics. Automation in manufacturing and warehousing has significantly increased efficiency by speeding up production processes and reducing human error. Information technology. Advanced software solutions like enterprise resource planning (ERP) and supply chain management (SCM) systems integrate all aspects of the supply chain, providing a real-time overview of inventory levels, delivery schedules, and production plans. Internet of Things (IoT). IoT technology allows for the tracking of products throughout the supply chain, enhancing visibility and enabling proactive management of stocks and schedules. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies help in forecasting demand more accurately, optimizing routes for logistics, and enhancing decision-making processes. 5. Challenges in supply chain management. Complexity. Managing a supply chain involves coordinating a wide range of activities, dealing with numerous interconnected entities, and often operating across international borders with varying regulations. Risk management. Supply chains are vulnerable to many risks, including natural disasters, transportation failures, and geopolitical issues. Mitigating these risks is crucial for maintaining smooth operations. Sustainability. There is increasing pressure on businesses to ensure their supply chains are environmentally and socially sustainable. This includes reducing carbon footprints, ensuring fair labor practices, and managing waste. 6. Future trends in supply chain management. Greater integration. Continued advancement in IT and automation is expected to lead to even more tightly integrated supply chains. Increased data sharing between suppliers, manufacturers, and retailers will help improve responsiveness and efficiency. Customization and personalization. As consumer demand for personalized products increases, supply chains need to become more flexible and responsive, able to adjust quickly to new requirements. Ethical and transparent supply chains. Consumers and regulators are increasingly demanding transparency in the supply chain, particularly regarding the sourcing of materials and labor practices. 7. Conclusion. Supply chain and logistics management are pivotal for any business's success, influencing everything from the production timeline to the final delivery of products to consumers. Effective supply chain management not only enhances operational efficiencies but also boosts customer satisfaction and competitiveness in the global market. As technology continues to evolve, it offers new opportunities and challenges for supply chain professionals, requiring ongoing adaptation and innovation. Useful expressions. Let's review our current logistics providers to ensure they're meeting our delivery speed and reliability standards. We need to discuss ways to streamline our supply chain to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Our latest shipment from the supplier is on schedule and should be in our warehouse next week. Inventory levels are currently low on several key products. We need to prioritize restocking these items. Please confirm the receipt of the shipment and verify its contents against the packing list. Can you provide an update on the customs clearance for our overseas shipment? This quarter, supply chain disruptions impacted our delivery timelines, as noted in the logistics section of the report. We have successfully reduced our freight costs by renegotiating contracts with our shipping partners. We should consider alternative suppliers to diversify our supply chain risk. Implementing a just-in-time inventory system could significantly reduce our holding costs and improve cash flow. We encountered a bottleneck at the distribution center, which we are addressing by adding additional staffing during peak hours. There has been a delay in our supply chain due to unexpected weather conditions affecting transportation routes. I propose we allocate more budget to our logistics department to cover the increased costs of expedited shipping needed to meet demand spikes. We need to reassess our warehouse costs in light of the recent expansion and additional storage requirements. In our next meeting with suppliers, we need to push for better payment terms to align with our cash flow cycles. Let's negotiate longer-term contracts to secure better pricing and ensure supply stability. We are working closely with our logistics team to resolve the delay in your order and will keep you updated on the progress. To better serve our customers, we are upgrading our order tracking system to provide real-time updates. Understanding the end-to-end process of our supply chain is crucial for all team members to effectively manage their respective roles. We will be conducting a workshop on best practices in inventory management to help reduce wastage and optimize stock levels. Ensure all inbound shipments are logged upon arrival to maintain accurate inventory records. Coordinate with the warehouse team to optimize the layout for faster order processing. Let's review the efficiency of our current distribution channels to identify potential improvements. We need to evaluate the turnaround time from order to delivery to ensure we're meeting customer expectations. We are rolling out a new logistics software next quarter to improve route planning and decrease delivery times. Let's explore advanced analytics tools to enhance our demand forecasting accuracy. Develop a contingency plan for supply chain disruptions, including alternative suppliers and transportation routes. Regularly assess the risk profile of our critical supply chain nodes to prevent bottlenecks. Initiate a program to reduce our carbon footprint by optimizing transportation routes and reducing idle times. Consider partnerships with green logistics providers to align with our environmental sustainability goals. Stay updated on the latest trade regulations to ensure our international shipments are compliant. Implement rigorous checks to ensure all supply chain activities adhere to industry standards and ethical practices. Collaborate with the sales team to align production plans with upcoming promotional activities. Work with finance to understand the budget impact of proposed changes to our logistics strategy. Activate the emergency response team to handle the supply chain disruption from the supplier side. Communicate openly with customers about the expected delay due to the logistics issue. Implement a follow-up system to collect customer feedback on delivery satisfaction. Update our delivery policy to offer more flexible shipping options for our customers. Assess the feasibility of setting up a distribution center in the new market to reduce lead times. Analyze the supply chain capabilities needed to support the launch of our new product line.